So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit text transparency here on Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, I want you to go to the left-hand side and press on text, and then just add some text to your design. So I'll just type in the word transparency. Hopefully I spelled that correctly, but regardless, that's what we're going to go with for the video. So I have my text right here. If you want to make it transparent or more see-through, simply highlight the text right here that you're looking to do that to. Go to the top to where it says transparency, press on this. Now, by default, it's set to 100, so it's not transparent at all, but if you slide this bar further to the left, you actually make the text a little bit more see-through. Just like that. So if you want to go ahead here and make it completely see-through, you can. You can make it more transparent to basically just play around with it just like this in regards to transparency. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can make text more transparent or edit text transparency here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.